Hello everyone, right now I'm create for this section for Fiverr. Fiverr already this section create. So I'm go to my backend, and for first I'm go to for homepage setting and copy the text and create for new one, and just for homepage of create this section, and for also section item, and for create 3, and for desktop name show text color and text background color is white. So and for this one for all shame already just guest user only show for not registration user. So I'm already create see this section. I'm clicking and for add this section new, and for this one title, and also this one image and title add. Example this image I add, just add, and title add, and link add. Example title 1 2 3 and link hash link, just all fill add. I am already fill add, just edit. See this option, just title simple name image, and for text information, and for okay. Then for I'm go to for homepage and see this link is overall working. So I hope my like it my videos, and I hope like my video. You can subscribe my channel, and also you need for similar script, Fiverr similar script, go to description below. You can purchase the link for you can purchase, and link can provide this script. So goodbye.